Allen Family Farms is located in Lynchburg, Tennessee, and the farm goes back over 100 years. I actually have it registered with the Century Farm through the MTSU Tennessee program, and it was home of my great-great-grandparents back in 1910. And so the farm has brought so many amazing memories for me. It's where I learned a lot of life lessons. Sitting on the front porch of my great-grandmother's house, I learned how to water your plants after the sun goes down, and many things about praying and hard work and independence. And so the farm has so many meanings to us. It's still in use. It is owned by my grandfather, Billy Allen, and my uncle, Terry Allen, whom will be featured in this book. And I think you'll be able to recognize who they are once the book is released. But the farm is very special to us. It's special to our family. It's still a working farm. We have cattle, and it's a honeybee farm. So my grandfather is a beekeeper. And we also do florals from the farm. So we have a whole field of florals that wildflowers that we use, that we sell here at Promise Manor on Saturdays. We're trying to make it more of a community farm to help it grow, to help us sustain our family in the future generations. And we're just so thankful that our children get to enjoy the farm as well. And that's what this book's all about, teaching our children these life lessons that I feel you can only learn through hard work and being on a farm and experiencing all the innocence that a farm can bring to these children's lives. So also, my family, my husband and I own Promise Manor, located here in Lynchburg, Tennessee. It's an event venue, a historic home, the Green Evans Hudgens House. And we have just kind of started connecting the farm and Promise Manor together. It organically happened. It wasn't anything that we planned, but the farm is still a privately owned farm. However, we do many things through Promise Manor that connect the farm. And so although you can't just go to the farm and pick wildflowers or blackberries, we do bring the farm to Promise Manor. When we created this book, and my mom actually sat down and said, Kayla, I have this idea for a children's book, and she wanted to include the farm and her grandchildren. And so her and I kind of brainstormed, and Presley even sat in on a few of the meetings, and we just came up with this idea to connect the farm through Promise Manor. And we are connecting it through what we call our Rooted collection here at Promise Manor. This is a lifestyle brand that we have created to include faith, family, and farm, which are all the things that we have built through Promise Manor by connecting the farm and our faith. So come with me on a journey to Allen Family Farm.
Welcome to the Allen Family Farm.
may recognize this barn as part of the Allen Farm Adventures. This is the barn that's on the front cover of the book that our illustrator Hillary Huffer recreated so beautifully. It's a barn that holds so many memories for our family, for myself, and we hope that we can share it with future generations to come.